Hi, in this short video, we'll be looking at how to do a video KYC for your investors. So, in Investwell Mint, you can complete a full KYC of the client using the video KYC feature available. So, the video KYC feature can be accessed through the IN UCC or CAN creation process. So, it is part of the Invest Online module. Now, depending on the exchange you have, it depends on the profile creating process that you are doing. So while creating a profile, you have to go to Invest Online in the profile list menu and click on the create UCC button. So this can be create IN or create CAN depending on the exchange which is set up. Right now in this example, I have the exchange set up as BSE. So the option here is create UCC. For NSE, it will be create IN, and for MFU, it will be create CAN. So when I click on create UCC, the UCC creation form opens up, which consists of 4 5 steps. Now, when I enter the PAN, the system checks for the KYC compliance of the specific PAN. If the PAN is KYC compliant, then the system automatically fetches the name of the client as per the PAN. Now, if the PAN entered is not KYC compliant, then we show a message of KYC not verified and give you an option to proceed for video KYC instead. Now, you have to write the name of the person that you want as per the KYC records. You have to fill all these details and then click on do video KYC. This facility of doing video KYC is available only in the advisor portal as of now. So you have to do this for your prospect or for your client and then give them the video KYC link. So once I click on do video KYC, it will open the SignZ portal in a new tab. So as can be seen here, the video KYC requires a few documents. First is the identity proof, which can be any one of the following. So you can tell the investor to be ready with their PAN card. For the address proof, they would require their Aadhaar card, for example, front and back side. So all these documents are required. Uh,
Then they have to click on let's go button. Now the first thing is PAN card. So investor have to upload the PAN card over here. So they have to just choose the file, go to this location where they have saved the file, and open. So once investor upload the PAN document, then system will fetch name, father's name and date of birth automatically. Now investor will click on this next step button. Now next is system will ask about the proof of address. In proof of address, investor can upload Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID. So they can upload any of this document. Let's take an example of driving license. So they have to upload front and back side of the driving license. Select the file. And then similarly you have to select the back side of the driving license as well. So now once investor will upload the proof of address, system will fetch the details from the database automatically. Like as you can see, name, state, district, license number, because I have uploaded driving license, date of birth, city, address, date of issue, date of expiry, pin code. So investor have to verify these details, and also they have to select whether they want to keep this address as a communication address or not. And now investor will click on this next step button. Now the next is bank account verification. In this, investor have to upload the cancel check copy or check copy of the bank. So select the file and open. So one investor upload the check leaf, system will fetch account number, IFSC code, account holder's name, mobile number automatically from the database. Investor have to click on this I hereby consent and then click on this submit button. So once investor will click on the submit button, they will receive credit of 1 rupees into their account. So they have to mention that 1 rupee or 1.03 or whatever the amount they have received and click on this verify button. Now next is personal information. In that, system has already fetched few details. Okay, let me show you that. So as you can see on the screen, investor's gender, marital status, father's name. Investor have to type mother's name manually. PAN number, residence status, citizenship, email ID, occupation type, mobile number, country code, communication address type. Also, if you scroll further, then permanent address as well as annual income will also fetch by the system. Now, investor have to click on this next step button. Now, the next is declaration, in which FATCA CS declaration is there, in which the system has asked three questions. Are you politically exposed person or not? Are you related to politically exposed person, or are you resident outside of India? Whichever appropriate option is there, investor to select. And also, are you related person to this investor? So whichever appropriate option, investor have to select. Click on next step button. Upload the signature of the investor. Click on this I confirm the signature as well as I consent for sign Z and next. Now system will capture the photo of the investor. Make sure your photo must be clear. Then click on next. Now next is video. Over here, as you can see, it is showing instruction: keep the face at the center of the camera, hold the ID in front of the camera, make sure it is visible, and speak aloud the number which will display on the screen. Click on start recording. Make sure this room lighting and it should be appropriate. Click on this I am ready button. So whenever investor is ready, click on this start button. So face in front of the camera, show the ID, PAN card, Aadhaar card, whatever ID it is, and speak the number 801249, whichever number it is showing on the screen. Okay, and after this, system will upload the video. And if investor is not confident about the earlier video, they can retake the video as well, or else they can click on the next button. They will receive this message: congrats, you can now submit your application. So click on the submit application.
They complete these steps, their KYC will be sent by SignZ to CAMS and it will be verified. All the KYC applications will be visible to you in your portal in the video KYC status report. Here, all the video KYC applications submitted from your portal will come over here and the status is refreshed every few hours. So you'll know if the status is draft, you'll know that the KYC application has not been submitted yet by the investor. If it is pending, then you know that it has been submitted by the investor but sent to SignZ for further verification. And accepted means that it has been accepted by SignZ, not by the CAMS or KRV, the actual KRA. And rejected would mean that they have been rejected by SignZ. So you need to generate a video KYC again and ensure that the client does the video KYC process properly. If the status gets rejected, then the investor gets an email on what they did wrong in the KYC process. So uh, this link is what you have to copy, which opens in the new tab when you click on the do video KYC button in the create UCC process. This link you have to send to the client. So if you copy this and uh, paste this in, say, another window, then you'll open the same page that we see here. So this is how the client will see. You just have to copy this link and email it or WhatsApp it to him. That is up to you. And they can open this in their mobile phone also. So it will be, if they open it in their mobile phone, you can just WhatsApp this link to them. If they open it in their mobile phone, in their mobile browser, they'll be able to use the mobile camera to take the photograph of the identity proof and address proof. So this would make it a seamless process. After they complete the video KYC, they don't have to do anything else. They just have to wait for 1 day for the KYC to get processed, and then they can start investing. You can create a new investor for them from the client's menu. You can click on create new investor and fill up this form and send them that link. After you create an investor, a new record will come in this table, and you can scroll to the right and click on the invite button, which is available against each investor, or go to the actions on the right and click on send invitation. This way they'll get a email with which has their login credentials, accept invitation button, and after accepting the invitation they can log in, and if their KYC is verified, then they can invest. So using this process, you can easily onboard new investors by creating a video KYC link for them in the process of creating a UCC. So it is all linked. Okay, if you have any questions regarding to this, you can click on FAQ and see the article on how to do a video KYC in the NAC BSc MFU guides in the FAQs. Okay, thank you.